Hello students, welcome to the world of chemistry. This is Dr. Vikram Panchal and I'm dealing with spectroscopy for chemistry. This is the lecture of IR spectra and lecture number 30, in which I will explain you application of IR spectra, particularly C double bond O stretching and bending. C double bond O group is known as carbonyl group. Okay, but in this case, carbon has two free valency and therefore there are so many subgroups of carbonyl. These are aldehyde, ketone, carboxylic acid, ester, amide, acid chloride, acid anhydride. Normally C double bond O stretching, which gives strong band in the range 1870 to 1540 centimeter inverse. The factors affecting C double bond O vibrations are: first, physical state of a sample. Second, electronic and mass effect. Electronic and mass effect of neighboring substituent. Third, conjugation. Fourth, hydrogen bonding. And fifth is ring strain or angle strain. We'll take some examples like this. C double bond O for saturated aldehyde the range is 1740 to 1720 centimeter inverse. Now in case of aliphatic aldehyde, this is nearly 1700, and that is due to plus I effect. In case of aromatic aldehyde, the signal is about nearly 1700 centimeter inverse, and this is due to conjugation. Now if we take aliphatic acid, Normally dimerization takes place, so we will take dimer. That is due to intermolecular hydrogen bonding, and the range is 1725 to 1700 centimeter inverse. If we take aliphatic acid, but without hydrogen bonding, that is monomer, then the band appear at 1760 centimeter inverse. We take example of salicylic acid here, in which we will find intramolecular hydrogen bonding, and we will get at 1665 centimeter inverse. Aromatic acids, in which you will find conjugation, and range is about 1710 to 1680 centimeter inverse. We take aliphatic ester. Here the range is 1750 to 1735 centimeter inverse. Aromatic ester, that is due to conjugation. The range is 1730 to 1715 centimeter inverse. Then we take aliphatic acid chloride, COCl. Acid chloride means COCl. The range is 1815 to 1785 centimeter inverse. We take acetyl fluoride, in which we will observe signal of CO at 1869 centimeter inverse. In case of aromatic acid chloride, that is benzoyl chloride, we will observe at 1800 to 1770 centimeter inverse. In case of primary aliphatic amide, amide means CONH2 group, the signal appear at 1694 centimeter inverse. For secondary amide, the signal is at 1640 centimeter inverse. And in case of tertiary amide, we observe band in 1680 to 1630 centimeter inverse. Saturated acid anhydride, here we will observe always doublet because there are two CO groups. So here in case of saturated acid anhydride, we will observe at 1818 and 1750 centimeter inverse. If conjugated acid anhydride is given, here also we will observe doublet, and the range is 1775 and another will be at 1720 centimeter inverse. For cyclic acid anhydride like phthalic anhydride, again doublet appear, that means two bands, one at 1865 and another at 1870, sorry, 1780 centimeter inverse. Okay, so these are the cases. Now in next lecture I will explain you all these factors which affect the C double bond O frequencies. Thank you so much.